Sparkle Squad. I'm in my filming room getting ready for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to...
Ellie, guess what?
What's up, Coach Rocco? Hi.
Guess who's going to be the next big YouTube star? Okay, I can't wait for you to guess. Me, I'm going to be the next YouTube star.
Awesome.
Cut. Coach Rocco, it's my camera and you can't just walk into shot like that.
Jimmy, what are you doing here?
I'm Ellie's cameraman for today. It's me, Director Jimmy, reporting for duty. Wait a minute, did one of those lights go out? Oh, I gotta check these. Director's work is never done.
Yep, Jimmy's helping me film one of my videos. But that's okay. I'm really excited for you, Coach Rocco. What's your video going to be about?
Well, that's why I'm here. I need your help. I tried doing a Roblox channel, but I couldn't get the things to run, or I couldn't get them to talk, or I couldn't figure out anything. So I figured you could help me figure out what I should make my channel about.
Let's see. Well, it doesn't matter that you're not good at Roblox because you can put anything on YouTube. What are you good at?
Well, I am good at cleaning the pool, so maybe I could make a channel that's Coach Rocco's Cleaning the Pool channel.
Coach Rocco, it also has to be something interesting. Tell you what, why don't we figure out what your special talent is, and then we'll film a video.
All right, cool.
Awesome.
I'm gonna be the next YouTube star.
Boys and girls, if you want to help Coach Rocco film his video, give me a big thumbs up.
Ellie, I have an idea. My father was a singer and my mother is a dancer, so maybe I got some of those Rocco genes. Maybe we do a channel that's singing and dancing.
That's a great idea, Coach Rocco. There are plenty of YouTube channels like that. All right, Jimmy, you ready?
Yup, 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello, Coachalinos. Welcome to the Coach Rocco Show. We're here with my bestest friend, Ellie. Hit it, Ellie.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna be singing a song about pool skimming. Cleaning the pool is so cool. Cleaning the pool is so cool.
Cleaning the pool, I'm cleaning the pool. I'm cleaning the pool 'cause I'm cool. I'm cleaning that pool. I'm cleaning that pool 'cause I'm cool. Shamona, Jacoa, yeah, clean. Ooh, now the dancing part. Do the skimmer. Oh, now! I'm gonna get tired of skinning!
Cut. Ooh.
That was awesome, Coach Rocco.
Oh, good! Did I get 1,000,000 hits yet?
Let's see. All right. Okay, so the views aren't exactly rolling in right now, but we still have plenty of ideas left to try out for the Rocco channel. Come on, follow me.
3, 2, 1, action.
Hello there, Sparkle Squad, and welcome.
No, Coach Rocco. You don't call your viewers Sparkle Squad. That's what I call my viewers. You're your own person. So be yourself and pick a name for all your fans out there.
Action.
Okay, hello there, Coach Cadets, and welcome to the Coach Rocco channel. Has it been 8 minutes yet? Has it been?
Just keep going.
My friend Ellie here is going to teach us science.
Yeah, that's right, Coach Rocco. Hi there, boys and girls. My name is Ellie Sparkles, and we're going to make elephant slime today. Do you like getting messy?
Yeah!
Do you like science?
Yes!
Then this will be the perfect experiment for you. First of all, put on your goggles. Oh, yours are already on, Coach Rocco. Well done. All right. First, you're going to get a tablespoon of dish liquid. You're gonna put your funnel over your bottle to make sure there's no messes. Put your dish liquid in there, as well as your hydrogen peroxide. Oh, before I handle the hydrogen peroxide, I gotta have my gloves on first. Perfect. Now to put in the hydrogen peroxide. If you have an adult, make sure they're doing this step with you. Awesome. Now to mix it all up. Look at how foamy it got. You're going to have to get 1 tablespoon of yeast and put it in a bowl. And get 3 tablespoons of warm water. All right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
Whoa, look at it go! Whoa, that was super messy and super fun. All right, Coach Rocco, how are you doing over there?
Well, I guess I'm gonna I don't want to waste a bunch of yeast, and I don't like the way it smells, so I'm gonna put my own ingredients here.
Okay.
It'll work. All right, and then I'm gonna put this for the elephant toothpaste. Toothpaste. It's coming, it's coming. See, it didn't work, did it? Didn't work. I don't think I'm so much into this science thing, and even less of the making of the messes. I think I'm gonna take your advice and do something that I like, something I'm good at.
I think that's a great idea, and there's plenty of ideas to try out. Let's go.
And cut.
Hey, Coach, how you feeling?
Hey, Ellie, I don't think I'm good at anything. I don't think I'll be the next YouTube star.
Nonsense, Coach Rocco. We just haven't found a talent of yours that translates into a great YouTube channel. Me and Jimmy will find your niche in no time. Just stay positive.
Yeah, maybe I'll stay positive. But you know, one thing I am good at is chores. And that's something we forgot to do with all this YouTube stuff. So let's go. Meet me in the gym.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Come on. This gym is super messy. We've been neglecting our chores. I'm hoping you two will help me organize it. Jimmy, you put those weights back up there, and Ellie, if you could put these boxes together, and I'll deal with these big weights back here. Now be careful, those are heavy.
Oh, Coach, you weren't kidding. These weights really are heavy. I can barely move them.
Yes, let me get to it. Don't want you to hurt yourself. You just lift like this. Look at those Rocco muscles there.
Coach, you're gonna have to help me with this box. It's super heavy too.
All right, here, let me do it. I'm good at this. Now, you bend at the knees, and then you push up. There you go. That's how you do it. Come to think of it, that's what I'm good at. I'm good at lifting things. And I'm good at exercising. Look, jumping jacks. And I can run in place.
That's awesome, Coach Rocco. You'll have the best exercise YouTube channel around. With a little bit of patience and perseverance, I knew you would find your niche.
I'm gonna be the next YouTube star.
All right, let's start filming. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello there, Coachalinos, and welcome to the Coach Rocco channel. Today I'm gonna teach you some great exercises, but let's start with some stretching. Now first, stretch up to the sky real high. Now stretch down low to your toes.
Butters, are you there?
Butters, come out wherever you are. Where is that cat?
Oh, Butters, delicious cookies here.
Where is that cat? I thought I saw him just a little while ago.
He's probably just hiding like most cats like to do. Hey, do you have a favorite toy or something we can use to lure him out with?
Good idea, Coach. You know I've been training Butters to walk on a leash. Hey, Butters, you want to go for a little walkie?
I have an even better idea. Hey, Butters, if you come on out, I'll teach you how to do the Jimmy Spin-a-Rooney.
Oh, no spin-a-roonies. The last time you tried to do that, Butters got so scared he ended up on the roof.
Yeah, I don't think we should try that again. You know, it was really difficult to get him down the first time.
Well, hold on. Let's get one thing straight. The only reason that Butters jumped on the roof was so he could get away from your yucky kitty cookies. Blech. Another thing, if Butters did jump on the roof again, I would just rescue him heroically, just like I did last time.
Ha! You rescued him? You have quite the imagination, Jimmy.
What are you talking about? Of course I rescued Butters. I remember it like it was yesterday.
Oh no, Butters, how did you get up there? Come on down. Oh, quick guys, I need some help. Come down, Butters, come on. Butters is stuck up on the roof.
Oh, don't worry, Ellie. I'll save him.
Now, Jimmy, I'll handle this. I'm the adult here. Here, hold these cookies.
Ugh, these cookies are no good, even to a cat.
They don't smell so good, that's for sure.
There we go. Here, I could have the cookies now.
Go, Coach, go.
No, I can't.
What? What's happening?
I just remembered. I'm afraid of heights.
Come on, Coach Rocco, you can do it. We'll help you.
No,
Come on, Ellie, push.
Come on, Coach. Go get Butters.
You're almost there.
No. Butters just gonna have to stay up there forever. That's his new forever home.
Oh, we need somebody super brave and super cool to come save Butters from the roof.
That's impossible. Nobody's that brave or cool.
This sounds like a job for... Super Jimmy! It is I, Super Jimmy. Stand aside, everyone. I'll save your cat. Activate super flying powers! Another successful landing. We hope you enjoyed your flight aboard Super Jimmy Airlines.
Butters! Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Super Jimmy. Butters, I will never let you out of my sight ever again. You really are the bravest superhero around, Jimmy.
No need to thank me, Ellie. I'm just doing my job. I'm off to save the day elsewhere. Super Jimmy!
Oh, Butters, you must be hungry from being stuck up there all day, huh? You like that? This is an old family recipe.
I smell cookies! Ah! Whew. Sorry, Coach Rocco, but those are way too icky for any cat to eat. I don't want to have to save Butters twice today, if you know what I mean.
You know what? My recipe does need a little work.
Not only is Jimmy super brave, but he's also super smart.
Well, you guys. Oh, go on. And everybody clapped. And that's the story of how I saved Butters the cat.
Jimmy, you're sure good at telling stories. Activate super flying powers.
Yeah, that was my favorite part, too. You can sure tell a tall tale, Jimmy.
Hold on, that's exactly how it happened. Wait a second, how do you remember it happening?
Oh, well, Butters' story isn't important, you guys. We gotta find him right now. Where could he be?
Now, Ellie, I remember exactly how it happened. And it wasn't like Jimmy says it. I was in the kitchen cooking my delicious cookies. Finally done.
What's that smell? Are you baking an old pair of socks?
Very funny, Jimmy. These are my famous kitty cookies. It's an old family recipe.
Guys, come quick. Butters is stuck up on the roof.
Is that Ellie? She sounds like she needs our help. Let's go.
Don't worry, Ellie. I'll save him.
Wait, Jimmy. I'm the adult here. I'll take care of this. As luck would have it, I was just baking my famous kitty cookies. It's an old family recipe, and I'll just use these delicious treats to entice Butters down. Here, hold these. I'll get a ladder.
Yum, these cookies are totally going to work.
Yuck, this is never gonna work.
Yes, it will work. You'll see.
Super push! Push! Am I helping? Am I helping?
What are you doing?
Come on, Coach Rocco, I'm trying to push you up there.
Jimmy, stop that. I'm gonna fall.
Oh!
Coach Rocco, are you okay?
Oh, Jimmy, again with your superhero costume. Now knock that off. We gotta save Butters.
Don't worry, everyone. Have no fear. Super Jimmy is here. Activate super flying powers. scared because I have a pebble in my shoe.
Oh no, now we're really in trouble, Coach Rocco. What do we do now?
Don't panic, don't panic. We still have my secret weapon, my famous kitty cookies. Some superhero you are. Now watch and learn, Jimmy. Here, Butters. Here. Delicious cookies. All right. There you go. There you go. Gently now. Does this kitty belong to you?
Butters! Oh, I missed you so much. Coach Rocco, you really are a hero, aren't you?
Wow, yeah, you turned out to be the real superhero after all. Super Rocco, not Super Jimmy. And you know, I was too silly to see it at first, but your cookies are actually delicious.
Oh, thank you. It was nothing really.
3 cheers for Coach Rocco. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Now that, Ellie and Jimmy, is how I rescued Butters.
Ah, you obviously don't have too good of a memory because everyone knows that pebbles in the shoe are not Super Jimmy's secret weakness. It's yours. Everyone knows that. Did you even read The Adventures of Super Jimmy, issue 48?
Okay, you both have had your versions of the story told. Now it's time for mine. The truth. This is how Butters got saved in the end. And it goes like this. Oh, Butters, come on down from there. Quick, guys, I need your help. Butters is stuck up on the roof.
Oh, don't worry, Ellie. I can save him.
I'm the adult here, Jimmy. Let me handle this. As luck would have it, I was just baking my famous kitty cookies. It's an old...
Cookies? No way. This is a job for Super Jimmy.
Would you cut it out with the superhero costume? Let me handle this. Here, hold these cookies a second. I'll be back with a ladder.
But you guys, I already have a plan.
All right, just hand me the cookies.
Leave it to the superhero, please. Thank you very much. Super Jimmy, and this is his changing song.
Jimmy, would you knock it off with the costume? We gotta get this cat down.
Activate super flying powers. Ow! Oh, pebble in my shoe. I think there's a pebble in my shoe.
Some superhero. Let the adult take care of this, please. No. It's very high. I'm afraid of heights. No, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Oh,
I
brother.
thought you were the adult.
I knew this would happen. Time for me to take care of things. Come here, Butters. 3, 2, 1, jump! Good job, Butters. Your training has really been paying off. Woo.
You got him already? Oh, if you had given me 5 more seconds, I definitely would have flown up there and rescued him.
No, he's hungry. Here, have a cookie, kitty. Here, have Ah!
That's the real story of how Butters got saved.
What?
Actually, that sounds pretty accurate to me now that I think about it.
Oh, actually, you know what? I know what I was thinking of. I was thinking of a different time when Super Jimmy saved the neighbor's cat from the roof. Just mixed up my kitties, that's all.
Oh, Butters, I changed the recipe to the kitty cookies. Come and have a taste.
Ugh, he's not gonna want it if they smell like that. I know I don't.
What is he gonna want to do? Play spin-a-rooney all day?
Yeah.
No, cats
Hey,
want to
guys,
nosh.
look, I found Butters.
Hold
using
on a second, Ellie. Cats want to nosh. They want to take naps. They want to play with yarn. They don't want to get squashed by a big basketball.
If Butters
Come on, Butters. Let's go leave these two alone. Want a cookie?
Like I'm the envy of all the kids in school.
In your world, but you're delusional. Cats, they want to play with yarn. They want to hide from the...
What's up, Sparkle Squad? Me and Coach Rocco were just putting the final touches on our Christmas tree.
I think it looks great, Ellie, but where's Jimmy? He's supposed to be helping us.
Jimmy bells, Jimmy all the way. What do you think of my new Christmas carol? I personally think it might be the best song we've ever sung.
No way. The best song we ever sang was for the band in the school talent show, remember? We had the puppet involved.
Yes! Taco the Pirate! Arrgh!
You guys, I finally finished the song I've been working on, and I think it might be the most awesomest song ever written. Wait a second, what's Coach Rocco's puppet doing here?
Arrgh! Who are you calling a puppet?
Oh, Jimmy, meet Taco the Pirate. He's your newest band member.
Band member? What are you talking about?
Okay, so listen up, you guys. Jimmy, you were getting anxious about singing your song, and Coach Rocco, you were nervous about performing in front of people. So I decided, what helps me when I'm nervous and anxious? Why, teamwork, of course. So I decided, Let's make a band.
A band? That's a good idea, Ellie.
Yeah. So Jimmy, you get to sing the song that you wrote, and I'm gonna play the ukulele, and Coach Rocco, you get to make Taco sing along with Jimmy.
Hey, since we're all going to be performing together, why don't we think of an awesome band name?
Oh, that's a great idea. How about the Jimmy Fan Club?
I don't think so.
Nah.
Jimmy and the Jimmies? Oh, I got it. Jimmy time.
Okay, why don't we think about the band name after we have our first session? All right, time for our first round of practice. Jimmy, song ready?
Ready.
Taco, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, on 3, a 1, and a 2, and a...
When we're playing basketball, that makes Jimmy smile. When we're eating sandwiches, that makes Jimmy smile. With a basket here and a sandwich there, dribble there, pickle there, spin-a-rooney everywhere. When we're singing Jimmy songs, that makes Jimmy smile.
Take it away, Taco.
When I find me gold coins, that makes Taco smile. When I sing a jolly song, that makes Taco smile. With a gold coin here and a gold coin there, golden coins everywhere. When I find me gold coins, that makes Taco smile.
When we're swimming in the pool, that makes Jimmy smile. When there's a day off from school, that makes Jimmy smile. With a backstroke here and a holiday there, swimming there, sleeping there, spin-a-rooney everywhere. When I'm singing with my friends, that makes Jimmy smile. And it's totally awesome. Yeah!
Awesome job, Jimmy. Awesome job, Taco. Talent show, here we come. Now that's what I call teamwork. Kind of like how we're all decorating the tree right now. Hey, Coach Rocco, what's your favorite song memory?
Oh, that's easy. Remember that song we sang while we headed to the big Halloween party?
Oh, you mean the one when you were scared of everything and Count Jimmy had to save you?
This is a bad idea. I don't like the sound of this. Ah! Something just touched my arm. I think it was a ghost.
I think that was just the wind, Coach Rocco.
Ah! Something just rubbed against my leg. I know it was a werewolf.
Coach Rocco, it was probably just a mosquito.
Oh, I'll never get used to this Halloween mumbo jumbo. I should just turn back. This was a big mistake.
No. There's nothing wrong with being scared of things, Coach Rocco. Everybody is. For example, I'm scared of monsters and spooky creatures.
I'm scared of spiders and I'm scared of angry teachers.
I'm scared of zombies and creepy movies.
I'm scared that I won't get to do my spin-a-rooney. Yeah, everyone gets scared sometimes, but it's normal and it's fine. We all get scared, oh yeah we do.
Even me,
Even me,
and even you. What about you, Coach Rocco? What are you scared of?
Oh, I'd rather not say. See if you can guess.
You're scared of mummies?
No.
You're scared of bad dreams?
No.
You're scared of running out of pickle-flavored ice cream?
Well, sort of.
What about werewolves?
Nuh-uh.
Or stuff that's yucky?
No.
Well then what are you scared of, Coach?
Rubber duckies.
Hold on, you're scared of rubber duckies?
Aw, Coach Rocco, it's so nice that you remembered that one.
Yep, and I'm happy to say Coach Rocco is no longer afraid of rubber duckies.
Wait, hold on. I think we're forgetting the greatest song of all. You know, the one we sung about the coolest kid in school.
Oh, brother, how could I forget that one?
Voila! My masterpiece is complete. This song is dedicated to someone very special to me. Ellie, give me an E. There's someone that I know from school. His name is Jimmy and he's cool. Well, he's the coolest boy in school. Jimmy is cool. And everybody knows he rules at basketball and Roblox too. If you don't like him, you're a fool, 'cause he's cool. Everybody now, Jimmy is so very cool. Jimmy is so very cool. He's the coolest boy in school. Jimmy is cool. He likes to wear the color orange Oh no, nothing rhymes with orange. But regardless, he is cool. And Ellie, you're okay too.
Aww.
Everyone, Jimmy is so very cool. Jimmy is so very cool. Jimmy is so very cool. Jimmy is cool. Awesome. What a beautiful song. I get a little choked up every time I hear it, you know.
There, Jimmy. Hey, you guys, we did it! We finished decorating for Christmas. And that means we have some cookies to eat. Wasn't that a fun activity?
Yeah, and you know what else is a fun activity? Cleaning the pool. Remember the song we sang about that?
Oh, no, not that one.
My father was a singer and my mother is a dancer, so maybe I got some of those Rocco genes. Maybe we do a channel that's singing and dancing.
That's a great idea, Coach Rocco. There are plenty of YouTube channels like that. All right, Jimmy, you ready?
Yup. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello, Coachalinos. Welcome to the Coach Rocco Show. We're here with my bestest friend, Ellie. Hit it, Ellie.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna be singing a song about pool skimming. Cleaning the pool is so cool. Cleaning the pool is so cool.
Cleaning the pool, I'm cleaning the pool, I'm cleaning the pool, 'cause I'm cool. I'm cleaning the pool, I'm cleaning that pool, 'cause I'm cool. Shimona, Jacoa, yeah, clean. Ooh, ah. Now the dancing part. Do the skimmer. Skim it! Oh, now! I'm gonna get tired of skimming!
Cut. Ooh.